Okay, the next point is triangulation figure. The basic figures in the triangulation networks are triangle, brace, quadrilateral, polygons, etc. Okay, the triangles in the triangular system can be arranged in number of ways is given below. The single chain of triangle, double chain of triangles, brace, quadrilateral, centered triangles and polygons, a combination of above system. Okay, so first one, a single chain of triangle. This is used for a narrow strip of land such as ridge or a valley line. It is a rapid and economical but not much accurate and is not adopted for the primary work, that is first order triangulation. Next is the double chain of triangle. It is used to means cover the greater area as compared to the single chain of triangle. Third is the breast quadrilaterals. The quadrilateral with four corner stations and the diagonals form the base figure, and these breast quadrilaterals are suited for hilly areas. The length and sides can be calculated through any direction. Okay, and different combination of it in case of breast quadrilaterals, there are different combinations of sides and angles. Thus this system is more accurate. As you can see in the quadrilateral, there are number of triangles, so you can have the checks in from any side of the quadrilateral. Thus this system is more accurate. Centered triangles and polygons, this is adopted in case of vast areas spread in all direction. This gives satisfactory results in flat country, so it is more suited in a flat area as compared to hilly area. Then the center figures generally are quadrilaterals, pentagons, hexagons with central stations. Okay, center figures such as this B, D, E, F, C. This is a pentagon. Then E, F, H and G is a quadrilateral with the central stations such as K and J. K for a quadrilateral, J for a pentagon. The system provides the desired checks on competition, and the only drawback is the speed of work is slow due to more settings, since there are more number of stations, so the speed is less. So framework or layout of the primary triangulations for the large countries are: first one is gridiron system. In this, the chain of triangles run in two directions, one parallel to the north south direction and one perpendicular to north south, that is east west direction. The distance between two chains is 150 to 250 kilometer, and the area in between the parallel and perpendicular series of primary triangulation is filled by the secondary triangulation. This gridiron system is mostly adopted in countries like India, Austria, Spain, France, etc. The next is the centered system. In this system, the whole area is covered by a network of primary triangulation extended in all directions, starting with the initial triangle ABC. So as said in the previous slide, here we are working from part to whole instead of whole to part, and the proper care is taken so that the error is length in calculation of error in calculation of length that does not go on accumulating. So the proper care is taken. This system is generally used for survey of an area of moderate extent, and this system is mostly adopted in UK and the other countries. Choice of a figure, as we have seen, there are different figures such as triangle, quadrilateral, brace, polygons, the pentagon or hexagon. Okay, so how we decide the choice of a figure? A triangle is more convenient. Okay, it is easy. The survey work is quick in case of triangles. Okay, but less precise. The chain of triangle is less precise. Quadrilateral is best suited for narrow chain, and polygon for the wide chain. Polygon in case of vast area, as we have seen, spreading in all direction. Quadrilateral best suited for a narrow chain in case of hilly areas. Okay, next is criteria of selection of triangulation figure. Okay, so how we decide the triangulation figure here? simple triangles should be preferably equilateral. Okay, now the triangles are of different types, such as equilateral triangles having all the sides of the triangles are equal, isosceles triangles where two sides of the triangles are equal, and well conditioned triangle. A well conditioned triangle is a triangle in which the angle is greater than 30 degree and not greater than 120 degree. So the angle is in between 30 and 120. So if you are selecting a triangle for a triangulation figure, either the triangle should be equilateral, or most preferably equilateral or isosceles, or a well conditioned triangle. Raised quadrilaterals should be preferably approximately squares. Center polygon should be regulars. Okay, and the number 6 point, no angle of the figure opposite a known side should be small, whichever end of the series is to be computed. As we have seen the principle of triangulation, in this we know all the angles and length of one side. So in order to calculate the length of other side, we use the sine rule. So if we want to calculate the length of a side opposite an angle, okay, the angle should not be a smaller angle. Why? If you see that if sine of 10 degrees 0.17, whereas sine of 20 degrees 0.34, exactly double. So the sine of the angle for a angle smaller than 30 degree, it varies rapidly, as compared to if we see the sine of 90 degrees is 1, and sine of 100 degrees sine of 100 degrees 0.98. Okay, whereas sine of 90 degree is 1. Okay, so the difference is very less. Okay, 0.02. So the angle should not less than 30 degree. So these are the types of triangle as explained. So these are the factors affecting the strength of the triangulation figure. You can go through this. If you have any doubt regarding any point, you can contact me. This is a general required prerequisites for a triangulation figure.